In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate emails quickly with the search function in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're hunting for an important email that's gone astray or just trying to organize your inbox, the search function is your best friend. So, let's dive right in and unravel how you can efficiently find emails in just a few steps. First, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're already familiar with this platform, this step should be a breeze for you. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in the Microsoft Outlook URL. This will bring you to the main login page where you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials. Make sure you've got everything correct with your email and password. Otherwise, you might run into some access troubles. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Your inbox, calendar, and various other features are easily accessible from here. Take a moment to get acquainted with the interface if you haven't already, but we will be focusing specifically on the search bar for today's task. Next, we want to move to the search bar located prominently at the top of your screen. This is your primary tool for locating any elusive emails. Click on the search bar, which will activate it, and you'll be ready to begin your search. Now comes the key step, typing in what you're looking for. Here, you have a few options. You can enter a keyword if there's a specific term that you remember from the email you're trying to find. Alternatively, if you remember who sent the email, typing in the sender's name can quickly narrow down your search. Lastly, if you recall the subject line or a part of it, that can also be a very effective search option. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll receive, which helps in saving time and effort. Once you've typed your search criteria into the bar, hit enter or click the search icon. Outlook will soon display all the emails that match your search criteria, making it easy for you to locate the exact message you were after. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to harnessing the search power of Microsoft Outlook. This tool can be incredibly beneficial, not only for finding specific emails rapidly, but also for managing and organizing your inbox efficiently. With these steps, you'll never have to waste time scrolling through endless emails again. Happy searching! And remember, an organized inbox is a productive one. If you enjoyed this guide, feel free to explore other features Outlook has to offer and keep making the most out of your email experience.